The first bike I finished today is a SEARS bike from 1970s. It's gonna be for sale. The bike is pretty good. I just rode it. The only thing is that it's gonna have only one gear, the biggest plate on the middle. The smallest one doesn't work. So you will see that it's have only one gear changer, which is just for the rear. So that's the only thing about this bike. It has a new tire. It has a new rear brake, new line. So I replaced that new. This is the original. You can see. I tried to work on the chrome as much as I could. I like working on chrome. It's just like bringing it back. That's the seat. It's all the way up right now. That's why it has the same height than the handlebars. Now the handlebars are very aggressive. So your hands are all the way here on the inside. It's right there. And I mean, probably you can move this a little bit out if you want. But that's part of the look of it. To make it look aggressive. So right there. So sorry I took a long time this morning trying to get this ready, but that's the thing. I like to take my time with them and make them look nicer in. These are restorations. I'm doing restorations of all bikes, and that's what I'm taking my time. So from getting all the parts together, ordering them, arriving and putting everything together on the bikes takes a little bit. So but 1970s, if anybody interested, just comment, let me know. I have it ready. I'm asking 100 because I mean it has new parts, it has some work, a lot of chrome, old, collectible. So let me know. This is the part that I like the most. Super shiny. Now you can see the gear too. And I ordered this special tire with the color in this there, because this one, the originals are just black. I like it with the color on the side. That makes it look nice and old. So yeah, okay, let me know. Thanks for watching it.